Section 67 of the Trademarks Act, Cap T3, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004, defines a trademark as a word, letter, label, numeral, color, signature, device, or any combination of words, letters, labels, signatures that identify and distinguish the source of the goods or services of one manufacturer from those of others in the course of trade. A trademark is defined as a mark that is applied in the course of commerce or business to identify the set apart products or services that come from a specific supplier. Branding is another term for a trademark. It enhances reputation of the brand by differentiating between different product or service brands. Trademarks have an impact on consumers' product selection as well. It serves as a symbol for customers to recognize and get acquainted with the specific product. Now, the Trademarks, Patents, and Designs Registry, a division of the Federal Ministry of Trade and Investment, is the pertinent body responsible for trademark registration. We'll outline the steps involved in registering a trademark in Nigeria in our earlier guide. Registration of trademarks. The Trademarks Register is divided into two parts, Part A and Part B. Section 9 of the Trademark Act, Cap T13, LFN 2004, provides that in order for a trademark to be registrable under Part A, the mark must contain the following: the name of the company, individual or firm represented in a special or particular manner, the signature of the applicant for registration or some predecessor in his business, an invented word or invented words, a word or words having no direct reference to the character or quality of the goods and not being according to its ordinary signification, a geographical name or surname, any other distinctive mark. To be registrable under Part B, the mark has to be capable of being distinctive. Trademark registration is done at the Trademark Registry. As part of the Act's regulation, trademarks registration validity is subject to renewal after a period of 7 years. Since the company's or organization's name and logo serve as its brand identification, it is imperative that they be registered with the Trademarks Registry. Now, the company will be able to use its registered name and logo exclusively thanks to registration. Non-registrable marks. Now, the non-registrable marks include marks which are not permitted to be registered under the Act. They include marks which are deceptive or scandalous, contrary to law or morality, names of chemical substances, the Nigerian coat of arms, or other emblem of authority, patent, copyright, Red Cross, and other similar words, identical and resembling trademarks. Procedure for registration of trademarks. Carry out a research. To make sure the proposed trademark does not violate any already registered trademarks, it is crucial to perform a search before submitting an application for trademark registration. Now, the Nigerian Trademarks Registry files can be searched to do this. At the moment, the trademark search in Nigeria needs to be done manually at the register, as there is an absence of an online database for this step. Submit an application. Following the completion of the search and the determination that the suggested trademark is accessible, the Trademarks Registry may receive an application. Now, the application should clearly show the trademark and list the goods and services that will be covered by it, together with the applicant's name, address, and nationality. Examination. The Trademarks Registry will review the application following its filing to make sure it conforms with all applicable rules and laws. In the event that there are any problems, the registry may object or ask for more details. Publication. The Trademarks Journal will publish the application after it is approved. Now, this gives interested parties an opportunity to oppose the registration if they think their rights are being violated by the trademark. In the event that an opposition is submitted, the Trademarks Registry will look into the situation and might call a hearing to decide if the opposition is justified. Within 2 months following the trademark's publication, legitimate opposition will be submitted. Issuance of certificates. A certificate of registration will be issued by the Trademarks Registry if there are no oppositions or if oppositions have been settled in the applicant's favor.